This is Stridor, heroic armored war horse, and we are gonna unbox it today. It's new for 2022. As you can see, the back of the box has a beautiful artwork by Alex Jimenez, and Stridor comes with a stand that you can join to Castle Grayskull. Um, it retails for $29.99 at Target, and you can pre-order it on Big Bad Toy Store and Entertainment Earth, among other places. I was able to get mine on the wild on Target, so I didn't have to pay shipping, and also I believe they charge a little bit more, like $34.95, something like that. And in Target you're able to get it for roughly $30 plus taxes. So I'm really happy that I was able to find it. There were only two of them available, and I was able to grab one of them. I left the other one for another collector. That's one of the things that is happening with these toys. People are getting all of them and then putting them on eBay at double the price. So you cannot almost collect this line because everybody is after Masters of the Universe Origins. And there are many figures that you cannot find that they came out at the beginning of last year. Some since COVID, some were really hard to find because they just came and they left the store really fast. So yeah, let's open Stridor and see how it looks. Okay, and here is Stridor out of the box. He has some articulation on his neck. He has these two pieces. There's one of them that you can move, and the head too. And you can move to the sides, and you can rotate a little bit. And then the same thing in his legs. And he has some rings that you can put on a character's hands. It's a very nice figure. This is in the cartoon, this is a creation of Man-at-Arms, and you usually can see He-Man, Arf, and also Fisto riding Stridor. Stridor also comes with this armor that you can replace for the smaller one. You have got this other one here. There you have it. And also his mouth can be open, and you can put the reins here, or you can take them out, however you like it. Another thing that the figure comes with is those two weapons and some fire effects, of shooting effects. I believe they are the same, they look the same. So let's see, I think you put one of these here and the other one on the other side. 。 this is the correct way. Let me check the box. Okay, actually the thicker side was the one that you have to put through the hole, not the thinner, longer side. So yeah, these are some of the weapons on each side. And then you can put the fire effects. There he is. And the other one. And he has another one here. And the rear. So he's a horse and a weapon of war. And there's the extra armor. And Stridor also comes with a stand, like some of the other Master of the Universe Origins. I think Battlefield Warriors had a stand too, and some of the vehicles too. They come with their stand, and the stand is usually the same color as Castle Grayskull, so it matches the castle. And we can just press Stridor against the stand, and there we have him. We can have him ready for battle. In his stand. Next, we're gonna bring some of the figures that we can mount on Stridor. And we're gonna start with Tila. Here's Tila mounting Stridor. Now we have his creator, Man at Arms. We have He-Man. And finally, we have the figure that gets depicted the most with Stridor, which is Fisto. And it's probably the one that I'm gonna display Stridor with. So yes, this has been a look at Masters of the Universe Origins Stridor.